Hello everyone, in this video we are going to learn how to crochet a better circle. For this example you can see edges forming, making it more of a hexagon shape. That is because the increases are all lined up together. For this example you can see that it has a much more rounded shape that we want when making a circle. In this technique, we will be staggering our increases so they don't line up. Okay, to get started, you can use any hook and yarn you would like. I also recommend using a stitch marker just to keep track of your rounds. Alright, we're going to start like normal with our magic ring, and in this time we're going to put in 6 single crochet into our ring. Alright, go ahead and pull that loop closed. And for round 2, we are going to increase in each stitch around. So you're going to put 2 single crochet in each stitch. For the end of round 2, you'll have 12 stitches completed. At this point, you can go ahead and pop your stitch marker in, and we will start with round 3. So for round 3, we're going to keep continuing like normal. You're going to do 1 single crochet in the first stitch, and then you're going to increase in the next stitch. And continue that pattern around. 1 single crochet in the next stitch and the increase in the one after that. Alright, for the end of round 3, you should have 18 stitches completed. So for round 4, we're going to start our staggering round. So instead of doing 2 single crochets, we're just going to do 1 in that first stitch and then increase. We're going to cut that number in half for our even rounds. So instead of 2, put 1 single crochet, and in the next stitch, go ahead and do your increase. Now we're going to switch and start putting 2 single crochets and then increase, and we'll continue that around. So 1 single crochet, 2 single crochet, and then increase. Alright, as you come to the end, do your last 2 single crochet and then increase, and then you're going to have 1 stitch left at the end. So go ahead and put 1 single crochet in that last stitch. So we have 1 single crochet at the beginning and 1 at the end, and that puts our 2 stitches together. Alright, for our next round, we're going to continue like we normally would. We'll put 3 single crochet and increase. So on your odd number rounds, you're just going to crochet like normal. Okay, and that completes that round. So we're going to move on to our next and last round, which is our even round. So instead of 4 single crochets and increase, we're going to start with 2. And then you'll increase, and then we'll continue on with our 4 and then increase. So you're going to single crochet in the first stitch and the second stitch, and then increase. Now you'll move on and put in 4 single crochet and then increase in the next, and continue that until the end, and then we'll put in our last 2 single crochet at the end of the round. Okay, and that was our last increase for that round. So you have 2 stitches left. So go ahead and put 1 single crochet in each of those 2 stitches. So we put 2 single crochets at the beginning and 2 at the end to make our 4 in a row. So if you would like to continue, the next round would be 5 increase around. And then the next round, on the 6th increase around, you're going to split that in half and do 3 at the beginning and 3 at the end. I hope this video has helped you with making your circles better, and if you enjoyed this video, hit that like button and the subscribe button, and I will see you next time.